Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to add a lead to a campaign in Salesforce Classic. In the previous video, we have learned to add a lead to a campaign in Salesforce Lightning, and in this video, we will learn for the Classic component. So let's proceed with the method add to a campaign on a lead record. So I will show you example. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in a Lightning edition. So firstly, our main agenda is to convert it into the Classic component. For this you have to click on your profile, and here you will get an option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. It will redirect you to the Classic component of a Salesforce, and here we are redirecting. So here above we have a different apps. So we are in a marketing app, and now I am going to the lead tabs. For this you can either click on this plus icon and search for the lead tab, or here I also get the lead tab option, so I will click directly here. If you're not getting, you will get it from the plus icon. Now here I select the view to the all leads, and here I click on the go. It will show me the all the leads that are present in the Classic edition. Okay, so now we have to select the specific lead. So here I select the David Jones. Now here I scroll down to the campaign history. So here you can see that. Now I want to add it to the campaign. So here we have a button of add to a campaign. So I click on it. It will open the pop-up window which shows you all the campaign. So here are the recently viewed campaign. Here we have a all active campaign button, and here you will have an option of all campaigns. It shows you all the campaigns. So here I select the campaign, suppose this one, and I click on it. It will redirect to the next page and ask me to set the status. So I set its status to the sent. It has three options: send, received and respond. So I set it to sent and click on this save button. So here you can see that it shows me that John David is already the member of this campaign. So as I told you in the previous video, if the lead is already a member of the campaign, it is not possible to enter it again. So I will cancel this procedure and scroll down, and here I click on the add campaign button, and from this now I want to add it on a test campaign. So I click on this, and here it redirect to the page, and from here we only get the two options, sent and responded. So I select the sent and click on the save, and you can see that it successfully added the lead to the campaign. So with this we have learned to add a lead to a campaign using a add campaign button on a lead record. So now we'll move to header next topic, that is mass add lead to a campaign. So I will show you the example. So here I already logged in a Salesforce Classic edition. So now I want to select the sales app. So I click on this drop down. Here I select the sales app, and it shift to the sales app. Now I have selected the lead tab. Scroll down to the page, and here you will get an option of a mass add lead to campaign. So click on this button. You will get this option under tools, and now you have to select the campaign, and here I select this campaign as a text campaign, and I set the member status to the responded, and I click on this next button. It will ask me to select the members that you want to add the lead. So you can click on this to select all. If you want to select only some of the leads, you can select it one by one. I selected these three leads, and now here we have a button of add to a campaign. So I click on this button. It shows me that 3 members have been added. You may continue adding or click done or finish. If you want to add some more members, you can select it. Otherwise, if the process is completed, you can click on this done button to successfully added it. So I have clicked on this done button, so it redirects to the text campaign page, and here you will get the list of the campaign members that are added. So with this we have learned to add the lead to a campaign using the mass add lead option. So now we will proceed ahead and learn the next method, that is add lead from the Salesforce report. So I will show you the example for this. So here we are logged into the Salesforce Classic Edition, and this time I want to use the services app. So I click on this drop down and here I select the services, and from this here we have a different tabs, and from this here I select the reports tab. Now you have to select the specific report to whom you want to add to the campaign. So here I select the lead list report. Now here you will get the button of a add to a campaign. So I click on this button. Now select the campaign to whom you want to add it. So I click on this lookup and I select the text campaign, and it asks me to set the member status. I set it to the respondent. You can also set the existing member status to a override, or don't need to override the member status. And after filling up all this detail, you can click on this add to a campaign button. So here you will get that. So here you will get the message, your member have been added. 24 new member have been added to the campaign, and 12 converted leads were not added to the campaign. So if you want to move previous, you can click on a previous button, otherwise click on this done button. So with this we have successfully added the lead to a campaign using a Salesforce report. Now we will proceed to the next method and learn to add a campaign to a lead using a lead through campaign. So I will show you the example. So here I select the sales app, then I click on the campaigns tab. After that you have to select the campaign to whom you want to add the lead. So here I want to add the campaigns to the new green campaign. So I click this campaign. Now here you get an option of a manage members with a drop down. Click on it. Then you get an option of a add members search. Click on this option. Then you have to choose the lead. Now specify the criteria on which basis you want to choose the member of the lead. If you don't want to specify any criteria, you can directly click on this go button. It will select all the campaign members. Now check the checkbox of the lead to whom you want to add. Suppose I want to add these 3 only. So I selected, it shows you that 3 are selected, and here on the above you get a button of a add with status. Click on this drop down and set the status to sent or a responded, whatever you want. So I set it to the sent. It successfully add all the members to the leads to a campaign. So you will click on the add members. You will move here. If you click on the existing member, you will get the list of the existing member. You can also update the status from here. So with this we have learned to add a lead to a campaign using a Salesforce Classic campaign tab. So today in this video we have learned to add a lead to a campaign in Salesforce Classic. If this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.